Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to refresh Instagram. So if you want to refresh your Instagram and you don't know how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to swipe to the down. As you can see, it's updating or it's refreshing. But in case your Instagram is not refreshed, simply you have to follow these steps. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet. If you are using Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi must have internet, or if you are using mobile data, you must have the internet package. Moreover, if you have both, you have to go back and tap a while on the Instagram and go to the info, and after that here you will see options, different options. You have to click on the storage and the cache and simply clear your cache from here. Once you will do it, try to refresh the Instagram, and if it's still not working, simply you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram right here. Once you will search for the Instagram, you will get a update button. Simply update your Instagram and try to refresh your Instagram. So these are the steps. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.